In this presentation, you will learn to lead the life you've always wanted in 5 simple steps. These steps are based on behaviors demonstrated by successful leaders. Step 1. Live by 3 values. You will not meet a great leader or a successful person who does not live by the following 3 values: gratitude, generosity, and passion. To live your life to the fullest and to realize your dreams, you need to live by those values. Knowing how to show gratitude or generosity allows you to live in a healthy and positive state, which will come back to you at some point. Besides, passion is what makes the difference between those who suffer their lives and those who live them. Knowing that you spend 70% of your time at work, why not make it a time when you do something you're passionate about? It will make your life more enjoyable, and you will be 110% invested in what you do. Step 2. Pay it forward. The principle of taking and giving back is essential when you want the life of your dreams to be abundant. We all start from nothing. Whatever your social level at birth, it is necessary to know how to increase your knowledge, increase your income, increase your ability to understand the world to be able to give back. To be in constant balance between giving and receiving is the critical approach to always experience abundance in everything that you do. Living an abundant life doesn't have to mean finances only. It can be love, joy, happiness, or fulfillment. Step 3. Take care of yourself. Dreams don't always come true immediately, and your patience can be tested. Taking care of yourself is key to staying motivated to make those dreams come true throughout your life. After all, your ultimate dream may come true as you enter your 70s, but you'll need to be healthy to enjoy it. To do so, adopt a healthy routine and invest in yourself. Don't devote your life to the work of others or to please others. Find a balance with your personal life and take a step back from time to time to reflect on your desires, aspirations, and dreams. Practice acceptable physical and mental health practices every day to guide you on the quest for your purposes while staying healthy and placing yourself on the priority list. Step 4. Determine what you want. Dreams are intimately subjective. They belong to you and no one else. Purposes are different from ideals. Great leaders have ideals, such as world peace, but their dream is to have access to the right tools to serve that peace. Also, dreams are different from person to person. They can be bigger or smaller, more or less impactful. It doesn't matter. They are your dreams. You must ask yourself what you want in life. The clearer you are about your dream, the easier it is to lead yourself to it. Step 5. Decide and act. Once you know what you want and applied the 3 values, all you have to do is make decisions and take action. This is, paradoxically, the most challenging part. Many people miss out on their lives because they don't dare to act. Organize your life daily to achieve that dream life. If that means getting a degree to get the job of your dreams, go for it. Show yourself dedication and determination. This applies to everything from love to friendship to professional success. Let yourself be guided by what inspires you.